If you've ever spent hours scripting content that barely gets seen, this is for you. I've tested every AI tool out there, seriously, all of them, and Poppy AI is the only one that actually leveled up my content. It takes me from a messy idea to a scroll-stopping viral video fast. I've used it to create videos that have pulled in hundreds of thousands, even millions of views, and I've been gaining thousands of followers every single week. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I do it step by step. What's up, everyone? My name is Myra. I help creators, entrepreneurs, and business owners work smarter with AI tools. Today, I'm going to walk you through my full content creation system using Poppy AI, the exact process I use every day to make content faster and better. Here's what we'll cover: what Poppy AI is and how it's different, my step-by-step content workflow, a real video example, and how you can get started today. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Poppy AI? Unlike most tools that are just chat windows, Poppy is a visual thinking board powered by AI. Think if Miro and ChatGPT had a baby, but on steroids. As you can see, it's not just another chatbot. It's a canvas where you can map out ideas, connect videos, articles, research, and let the AI make sense of it all. With ChatGPT, you're limited to one thread, but with Poppy, you can upload entire YouTube videos, blog posts, social content, you name it. So the AI has all the context in one place. Let me show you how it works. First things first, once you've signed up, you'll land on this page and you want to go ahead and select the new board button to get started. Once you've done that, you'll land on this blank canvas and there's a couple of different options here. You'll see there's this button called AI chat. You can add text, record voice, upload documents. And then on the left-hand side, there's, again, this button for AI chat. You can add any type of social media content, Instagram, TikTok. You can add a voice memo, images, text, annotations, website, and this thing called group which is where we're going to actually get started. So you want to create two different groups. In the first group, we're going to go ahead and call it viral content. And then in the second group, we're going to call it my brand voice. In the first group, we're going to search for viral creators or viral videos in your specific niche, which for me happens to be AI and tech. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL of some of these creators' top performing videos and simply paste them into the first group, the viral content group. After I'm done with that, I'm going to start adding some of my videos so that I can train Poppy on my brand voice. Now, if you haven't created any videos yet, that's totally fine. Just try to find some creators whose brand style and voice sound similar to yours. After I've pasted in my videos, I'm going to go ahead and add an AI chat window, and then I'm going to connect the two folders. And I'm going to do that by selecting the viral content group node and connecting it to the AI chat window. And then I'll do the same thing for the My Brand Voice folder. In this prompt box, I'm going to add this prompt. You are a social media expert. Create a scripting framework based on the viral content group so I can create viral videos in my niche. Now what it's doing is it's using the videos that I've provided it to create a scripting framework that I can apply for my next video. It's figuring out the right hook formula, it's identifying patterns, and it's breaking down the exact step-by-step structure I need to use. Now I can use this framework to create viral content in my niche. So what I'll do is I'm going to click the text box button and I'm going to copy and paste this framework into that text box. And I'm going to title it as well. I also want to make sure that the scripts have my brand voice and it doesn't sound like AI or like anyone else's content. So I'm going to give it this prompt: create a document that highlights my brand voice. And now what it's doing is it's analyzing the content to identify my core brand voice characteristics, like the key phrases I use, my overall tone and expressions, my style, and it even gives me a signature brand voice statement. And I actually feel like this is a bit too long, so I want to capture a more concise summary, and I think now this looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to simply copy and paste this information and put it into a new text box. And so now I've documented both the viral scripting framework and something for my brand voice as well. So here's the cool part. I'm going to feed Poppy a piece of content and I'm going to convert it into a script that uses my brand voice. And I often go to X to search for viral ideas. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a top performing X post and I'm going to convert it into a script. This one on Hicksfield AI looks pretty interesting and it has over 300,000 in reach. So I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to paste it into Poppy. And I like to confirm that Poppy can see the web page that I gave it before I do anything else. And once I've confirmed that, I'm going to go ahead and give it this prompt: write a video script in my tone of voice based on the post that I have given you. Use the viral scripting framework to generate the script. Give me 5 different one-sentence hooks I can pick from. And bam, it's given me a complete video script with 5 alternative hooks using the frameworks and signature style that I've trained it on. And it's even included some visual elements. Once you get a system in place, which shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes, now you can pump out and generate scripts in minutes. And this is what I've been using to generate viral content for my Instagram page. If this has helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI hacks. And if you want to try Poppy, click the link in the description box below. I've included a special discount code just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.